On the Jimmy Show today, more adventures of door fucking frame repair. Oh, this is like the worst fucking door ever made. Fuck, people should not repair shit. Look at that fucking door, it's so horrible. They fucked everything up. They fucked everything up. These stairs have seen a lot of wear and tear. That bitch. Fucking episode 5, the Phantom Fuckover. Yeah, let me get a view of the door here, or we gotta fucking get a view of this door here. Look at this goddamn door repair with drywall. What the fuck? Who the fuck does drywall? Who asked does drywall? It's just the biggest moskies you ever seen. It's like, who are the moskies and why did they do this kind of shit? Look at that. Messy. Goddamn messy.